Hey guys, and make sure to hit that subscribe button down below and turn on notifications so you'll never miss one of my videos. And you want to see how I do back to school hacks? Well, just keep watching. For the first hack, I will be organizing my erasers to not have a mess in my desk. For the second hack, I will be making some fancy staples. So let's get started. You will need different color nail polishes. I'm going to show you how pretty it looks. For the third hack, I will be making my daily schedule. So let's see how it turns out. You will need a picture frame, a glue stick, paper cutouts, a ruler, and colorful paper. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, and watch this video over and over again. Thank you for watching. Bye!